Welcome to Part 14 of Basic Electrical Engineering, where we'll explore the fundamentals of electrostatics. Electrostatics is the study of electric charges at rest. These stationary charges are held in place by insulating medium. Engineers utilize static electricity for many industrial applications. It's used in technologies like X-ray machines, paint sprayers, and capacitors. Charging by conduction requires direct physical contact. Electrons move directly from one body to another during this process. In contrast, charging by induction requires no physical contact. An electric field forces charges to separate within the object being charged. Comparing the two methods, conduction uses contact and transfers actual electrons, while induction uses no contact and only separates existing electrons. Coulomb's first law describes charge interaction, like charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. Coulomb's second law defines the force between two charges. The force increases with larger charges and decreases with greater distance, following this formula. Electric force is a vector quantity, meaning it has direction. The forces act along the straight line that joins the centers of the charges. The superposition principle states that multiple charges exert independent forces. We add these forces as vectors to find the total net force on a charge. Absolute permittivity measures a medium's resistance to an electric field. A vacuum offers the minimum possible resistance, with a specific value denoted by epsilon naught. Relative permittivity shows how insulating materials weaken the electrostatic force. We compare this weakening effect to the force in a vacuum. Different materials have various relative permittivity values. For instance, air has a value of 1, insulating oil around 3, and mica around 6. The permittivity of air is crucial for engineering safety as it dictates power line spacing. Maintaining the proper distance prevents atmospheric arc-over. To summarize, electrostatics deals with stationary charges. Coulomb's laws calculate electric force, and permittivity determines the impact of the medium.